Have you ever found yourself puzzled by a programming question that just doesn't seem to have a straightforward answer? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common query. Why doesn't SingletonSet implement SortedSet? I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to optimize your code for memory usage, and you hit a roadblock like this. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, why doesn't SingletonSet implement SortedSet? They are trying to reduce memory consumption by using SingletonSet for cases where their collection only contains a single element. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So why is this the case? The SingletonSet class is designed to hold a single element, and while that element can be considered sorted, the implementation of SortedSet requires additional functionality that SingletonSet simply does not provide. Let's break this down further. And stick around. By the end of this video, I will share a potential solution that could help you implement your own version of SingletonSet that meets your needs. To understand why SingletonSet does not implement SortedSet, the user should first consider the purpose of SingletonSet. It is designed to hold exactly one element, which simplifies its implementation. Next, the user should recognize that SortedSet is intended for collections that maintain a specific order based on their natural ordering or a provided comparator. Since SingletonSet only contains one element, it does not require sorting. Additionally, the user should note that implementing SortedSet would introduce unnecessary complexity. The overhead of maintaining sorting for a collection that can only ever contain one item is not justified. If the user needs a sorted collection that can contain a single element, they might consider creating their own implementation of a SingletonSet that implements SortedSet. This would allow them to maintain the sorted property while still using a single element. In conclusion, while SingletonSet does not implement SortedSet due to its design and purpose, the user can create a custom solution if they require both functionalities. Fun fact, did you know that the singleton design pattern is one of the oldest design patterns in software development? It's been around since the early days of object-oriented programming. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests implementing a singleton sorted set. This class extends abstract set and implements sorted set. It takes an element and a comparator as parameters. The user provides a complete code example for creating a singleton sorted set, which includes methods for size, contains, and iterator functionality. To use this solution, simply call SingletonSortedSet.SingletonSortedSet with your element and comparator. This allows you to create a sorted set containing a single element efficiently. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user created their own implementation called SingletonSortedSet. This version requires that the element it holds implements comparable, which suited their needs. Here's a quick tip. When implementing your own singleton set, make sure to override the necessary methods to maintain the sorted order and provide any additional functionality you might need. And there you have it. Now you understand why SingletonSet doesn't implement SortedSet and how you can create your own solution. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more programming tips and tricks.